Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are a simple way to invest in global markets. ETFs are also a very easy way to diversify your Aussie stock portfolio. ETFs provide access to key investment themes such as income stocks or asset classes like property, international shares and bonds. Now, ETFs generally track or replicate a basket of shares or bonds that make up an index. Now, one of the most well-known indices is the S&P 500, which is made up of the 500 largest stocks in the US on the New York Stock Exchange. So you can simply invest in those stocks with one trade on the ASX. The ETF that holds the largest stocks listed on the New York Stock Exchange is called iShares S&P 500 ETF IVV. Now you can buy that on your Bell Direct trading account. But we see ETFs being used to construct investment portfolios in three main ways. The first way is to access a particular part of the market. Let's say you want to get exposure to emerging market companies. Well, there's an ETF for that. Or let's say you want to build out an exposure to a certain asset class. For example, investors might want to build an exposure to an international stock portfolio with just two ETFs, IVV and VEU. Now, VEU tracks a basket of stocks from developed and emerging market economies outside of the US. Now, those two ETFs alone, as an example, invest across 2,700 stocks and 50 countries. Now, the last and final way that we're seeing ETFs being used is to build out an entire investment portfolio across the major asset classes, from local shares, international shares, property and fixed income. But whatever you're after or however you want to invest, it's as easy as buying or selling a share on the ASX. Use Bell Direct's ETF filter to compare all the ETFs in the market based on asset class, sector, performance and price. Now, to access the ETF filter, once you've logged into Bell Direct, head to the Quotes and News tab, then click Exchange Traded Funds. For more information, check out our other demo videos on BDTV or chat to us online. Happy trading.